Craving something tangy, sweet, and chewy? Let's make raw mango candy at home. Raw mango candy recipe. Ingredients: raw mango juice, 1 cup. Sugar, 1/2 to 3/4 cup, as per taste. Corn flour, 2 tablespoons. Water, 2-3 tablespoons to mix with corn flour. Ghee for greasing. Method: extract juice. Peel and blend raw mango. Strain to get 1 cup juice. Boil juice. Pour juice into a pan and boil it. Add sugar. Add sugar and stir until it dissolves completely. Cornflour slurry. Mix cornflour in 2-3 tablespoon water without lumps. Add slowly to the boiling juice. Cook. Stir continuously on low flame until it thickens and leaves the sides of the pan. Set candy. Grease a plate with ghee. Pour the mixture and spread evenly. Cool and refrigerate. Let it cool, then refrigerate for 1-2 hours. Cut and serve. Cut into candy-sized pieces and enjoy your chewy raw mango candy.